Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the charger and phone both support fast wireless charging, that alignment and power delivery are essential. Plug the charger into a compatible PD or QC wall adapter before touching the phone, because direct power negotiation reduces heat and latency. Once powered, remove bulky cases over 3 mm or metal items that block charging. Then place the phone gently on the pad, centering the coil area. If your phone vibrates or shows the fast charge icon, you're correctly aligned and negotiating higher wattage. Once the phone rests on the pad, fine-tune its position until the fast charge indicator appears. Small shifts matter because coils must overlap. Make sure your phone's fast charging option is enabled and battery saver or optimization rules aren't throttling power, since software can reduce or stop fast wireless input. Monitor temperature for the first 10 minutes. If it rises rapidly, slightly reposition or remove the case to improve airflow. Also check for charger and phone firmware updates, as vendors often refine charging algorithms for speed and safety. To complete charging, leave the phone centered until you reach your desired level and periodically glance at the indicator to confirm fast charge is sustained. If charging is slower than expected, swap the wall adapter and USB-C cable to verify power source integrity, then test with another compatible phone to narrow down causes. If problems continue, unplug the charger for 30 seconds to reset it and inspect for debris or damage. If overheating, stop charging and contact support. Persistent faults suggest hardware failure or incompatible accessories.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.